The latest improvements to comments in PowerPoint for Windows make collaborating with others a breeze. As you work in your presentation, select what you want to comment on and choose New Comment. Type your comment, even add an app mention if you want, and select Post. Or you can press Ctrl-Enter. They'll receive an email notification about the comment. To comment on specific text, select it first, and then add your comment. The comment will be anchored to the text, highlighting exactly what you're referring to. If you selected an object, like a picture or table, a comment icon will appear on the slide. You can move this icon wherever you want. By default, only the selected comment is highlighted. To see all comment icons active on the slide, select Review, Show Comments, Show Advanced Markup. On the left side in the thumbnail pane, you'll see how many active comments there are on the slide. Select Edit Comment to make changes. Only the owner can do this. Select More Thread options to resolve or delete a comment. Resolved comments will be grayed out. If you @mention someone in a comment, they will receive an email notification with a preview of the slide to give context. The recipient can choose Go to Comment to open the presentation right where the comment is. Or they can select Add a Comment and reply to the comment without even opening the presentation.